going on, everyone? This is Pilot in Command here, back for another video. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how, I'm going to be demonstrating that the Betaflight Luascript will work with Butterflight. So that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So I've run the Tyrannus QX7, and here's kind of the main menu I have open right here. So I'm going to go, well, first, I'm going to plug the quad in. For this video, I'm going to be using my 5-inch Impulse RC Reverb, running the Tbs Powercube, everything, the basic quad that I run in all of my videos. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in a battery. Okay. It's going to do its thing. I'm just going to lower this a little bit more so y'all can see. Alright, hey, way back up again. So I'm going to go into, I'm going to long press the page button to get into the screen tab, page, here, and this is the, notice it says Betaflight PIDs. This doesn't say Butterflight, but since Butterflight is a fork of Betaflight, this will work. So I'm going to actually go over to the, oh wait, hold on. Oops, sorry, I messed up. Come on. I want to change my rates a little bit. So, again, this is just a demonstration video. So I went flying today and felt like, my yaw was a little slow. So I'm going to turn my Yaw RC Rate, Super Rate, and I'll play around with Expo too. So basically what I'm doing is I'm making sure that the quad will behave the same on all three axes. So to save your settings on the Betaflight, hey, come back. On the Betaflight Luascript, press and hold the menu button, save page, you'll get a saving icon. Sometimes it does this. Sometimes it does this retrying thing. I think it might be just because the quad is too close to the transmitter. I'm going to move the quad a good... I move the quad about 10 feet away. Let's just see if that glitch happens again. And hold on, my thing is auto-focusing. Sorry. Okay. Let's just change Expo. I'm just going to change it just to 15. Let's just do that. Or 16. We'll leave it there. Good. Long press menu. Save page. Okay. So the retrying thing came up, but it did save. However, just let's just see how this all looks on the computer. Just to kind of, this is sort of my way of proving that like the numbers that you see here will match up on your configuration on the computer. So I don't know how to do a like a screen grab on the computer where it just shows this screen just in the video editing software. So we're gonna make do just with my phone, just recording the main laptop screen. So as you can see, we have Butterflight. I have the quad. Going to plug the quad into the USB. The battery is not plugged in, so we don't have to worry about the quad flipping out and trying to eat my face off. We're going to connect. We're going to go down to the PID tuning tab. And I hope you can see this, but all those numbers that we put in using the Luascript, see? Exactly the same on the configurator. So this is just a proof of concept, just that the Betaflight Luascripts will work on Butterflight as well. Because as you can see, we are in the Butterflight configurator. Wow, it zoomed out really far. Whoops. So anyway, I will leave a link to Joshua Bardwell's video on how to install the Betaflight Luascripts on your Tyrannus. This can be done with pretty much any FR Sky radio that can run OpenTX. However, if y'all want me to teach you, just leave those messages down in the comments, and I will do my best to get a video out teaching y'all how to install the Betaflight Luascripts on your Tyrannus. Now, I know some of you might be saying, like, dude, why do we need to run the Luascript when we just have the Betaflight OSD? Well, I get that, but personally, I like running the Luascripts. I prefer using that to tune my quad just because it's so much faster than going through the OSD menu, just because you can leave that page open. Like, you can leave the PID page and the rate page open, just to change stuff around if you're trying to tune something. It just makes the process much easier. So that's going to do it for this video. Thank you all very much for watching. Also, thank you all, everybody who commented on my last video, which was the Butterflight on F3 flight controller. I did not expect to get that many views in such a short amount of time. So thank you all very much. I do my best to listen. Well, I do listen to all of y'all's feedback. And if there's anything y'all are interested in seeing me test or do on this channel, please leave it down in the comments, and I will do my best to make that happen. So that's going to do it for this video. Again, thank y'all for all the support. It really means a lot. And y'all have a nice evening. Bye!